Bucky's Car Wash. Lovely landscaping. Just swing around the corner here and check out Bucky and the bubbles. We've got some kind of electronic eye that is going to hopefully look for the dirty spots. Look at the electronic eye though. Here. Are you getting his hand movements? He's really good. You too. Oh, I can so picture that kid doing this. Look at the colors. Oh. I think Alex would like this. Look at the bubbles he's going to get. Here we go. Got you covered. Ooh, it's going to get foamy.
I had the window open. Ooh. Oh yeah, I hope so.
This is like a scalp massage. Ooh.
Ooh, here's a rinse cycle, I think. Oh, here it comes.
Oh. It's dry and shine time.
Oh, look at those blowers! Looks like a jet engine. window.
Look, it's blowing car fumes. It's blowing all the car fumes in. Oh my goodness. Wait and go. What do I do? I think I have to wait for the little roller to push me all the way.
Yeah. It'll tell you when to go. You're on a track. Oh man.
Well, never have I ever.
You have to park over there so I get a picture of your shiny car. Okay, you can go. Oh, best $9 ever.